National flag of India. The national flag of India was adopted on July 22, 1947. The national flag was designed by Bengali Bankaya. National flag is the symbol of honor and pride of our nation. The length and width ratio of the national flag is 3:2. It is also called as tricolor. Each color symbolizes different meanings. The three colors of national flag are saffron, white and green, and the center of the national flag consists of a blue chakra called the Ashok chakra. The saffron color represents courage and sacrifice. The white color represents peace and truth. The green color represents growth and faith. Thanks for watching.